Welcome to the vibrant heart of the Big Apple. W136th Street is where the city that never sleeps meets your new home sweet home. Get ready for the ultimate New York experience at this fabulous property. Explore your furnished 4 or 5-bedroom apartment at W136th, where sunlight streams through the window, reflected on the full-size bed fitted with sheets and pillows. The spacious study desk and chair are perfect for late-night study sessions while enjoying the AC and smart TV in the comfort of your private room. You can store your online purchases in the closet. Use the free Wi-Fi to cobble recipes together in the shared kitchen, complete with kitchenware and appliances. In addition to weekly maintenance, all your utility bills are included, making your stay less stressful. Coming to the location with a quick 11-minute walk taking you to the City College of New York, and a 9-minute drive dropping you at the gates of Columbia University, this property is what many would consider ideal NYC student housing. With spots like St. Nicholas Park and Apollo Theater near you, along with convenience stores and vibrant nightlife, this is the perfect place to experience the epic highs and lows of college life. Take a leap of faith and discover student housing tailored for you at amberstudent.com. Your future begins today, not tomorrow.